Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the console discoverable and your controller ready. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both devices so permissions match. Once done, open Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features and toggle Enable Remote Features. This allows streaming. Make sure Power Mode is instant on so the console can wake quickly. Now pair a controller to your PC/phone or ensure Bluetooth is active. This lets you play with low lag. With these steps complete, you're ready to start the remote session. Now you initiate the session from the Xbox app. Open the app on your device, sign in, then navigate to Consoles and select your Series S by the displayed name. If not auto-found, use the console IP. Tap Remote Play to connect. The app negotiates video and input streams so you can control the console remotely. Adjust streaming quality in the app settings. Pick resolution and bandwidth preferences depending on your network. If latency appears, lower resolution and choose Prioritize bandwidth to stabilize the connection. To finish, end the session in the app and optionally press the Xbox button to ensure the console goes back to home locally. If you encounter lag, restart your router and switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection for the console or PC to reduce latency. If Remote Play won't connect, re-sign into your Microsoft account on both devices and confirm remote features remain enabled. As one troubleshooting tip, if controller disconnects repeatedly, repair it via USB, then update console and app firmware before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.